stop and see if he goes.
Yeah. The car's turning around.
The truck goes?
Well, the truck's next.
Well, I wanted to see if the truck would go.
Oh, you videoing?
Yeah. This is what? What street is this?
202.
This is 202 between 571 and 40? 41.
By Fulton Farms.
Huh?
Fulton Farms.
By Fulton Farms.